Attorney Harry Roque.
Harry Roque. Nowhere Man
No,
ng Beatles.
so,
No hair eh.
oh,
no
no,
hair.
man. No hair man. Akala ko no way man. Kasi diba, okay. Okay. Rowena Guanzon.
I love you, I hate you.
O, paano nga I love you, I hate you?
And I love you, I hate you.
Okay. Oh,
May magandang version niya si Myrtle Sarosa eh.
Okay. Let's not... some other time.
Kaibigan natin yun.
Okay, bigyan natin. Salvador Panelo. Sal Panelo.
Salvador Panelo. Teka muna, delikado yan eh. Here, there, and everywhere.
Oh, here, there, and everywhere. Alright. Ito. Attorney si Edward Chico.
Edward Chico.
Oh.
Funny girl.
Funny girl. Barbara Streisand ba yan? Tama, Barbara Streisand. See, I still know, ha? Oh, okay. Edwin Lacerda.
Edwin Lacerda. Lady Wants to Know.
Lady wants to know. Then wants to know the reason. Got to know. Okay. Laila de Lima.
Laila de Lima. Beautiful Girl. Beautiful Girl. Di ba? Maraming nabighani sa kanya eh.
Vince Hizon.
Vince Hizon. Sino ba si Vince Hizon? Yung
Secretary.
secretary.
DPWH.
Balat kayo.
Balat kayo. Balat kayo
pala
ang buhay sa mundo. Oh, okay. Jenggoy Estrada. Funny girl din ba? Sige lang, take your time.
Kaibigan natin kasi yan eh. Kaya mahirap magsalita.
Don't say it, just sing it. Oh. Kaya, ganun ba? The Sound of Silence. Sino ba yan?
Si ano yun eh? Si Dito Lapid yun eh.
Sound of Silence, Dito Lapid. Okay. So, huwag nalagyan. Joel Villanueva.
Joel Villanueva. God Knows.
God Knows.
Yung kay Debbie Boone.
Paano nga yung Debbie Boone?
Live and breathe,
you
God knows.
Alright,
Kasi godly siya eh.
Okay. VP, Sara Duterte.
Next in line.
We
are next in line.
Okay. PBBM. Yan. Last but not least,
PBBM. Di na natuto.
Andiyan ka na naman. Bakit nasayang lang? Ang
dalawa actually. Either it's a toss-up between di na natuto sa sayang na sayang.
Sayang.
Manilyn Reynes.